Hi, my name is Henry from AcePeak Investment. We'll be discussing what a cloud telephone system is and the features that you should consider when choosing a provider. A cloud phone system allows you to use a VoIP business telephone system that is hosted by a provider on their servers. This is different than on-premise PBX, which is installed at your site and may require expensive hardware. Cloud phone systems can be cheaper than PBX and save companies up to 50% in communication costs. There are many other benefits. Cloud phone solutions can be accessed from any device that has internet access, including a smartphone, tablet, desktop computer, or laptop. They are not tied to a specific location, unlike PBX systems. They can be moved wherever your team goes. This allows for the flexibility required to meet today's mobile workforce. Cloud phones also offer many benefits, including a faster setup process, scalable and high uptime due to the availability of remote data centers. You can also save time when you choose your cloud-based provider. These 5 features are important to consider. Drag and drop call routing is the best. Drag and drop editing interface makes it easy to customize call flows. It saves you time and allows for quick changes. IVR uses pre-recorded voice prompts that help callers navigate call menus. Callers can either speak the answers directly into the phone or enter their responses via dialpad. For more details, please visit acepeakinvestment.com and get a 30-day free trial.